Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Canadian community mental health workers' perceived priorities for supportive housing services in northern and rural contexts. So, the purpose of this paper was to describe community mental health workers' perceived priorities for housing and supportive services within rural and northern contexts. So just a summary of the abstract. Though the link between mental health issues and supportive housing has been established, the needs of those with severe mental health issues continue to pose challenges. Furthermore, the focus of most studies on this topic tend to be focused on urban centers. This study was based upon 39 statements about supportive housing services developed from a mixed methods parent study sorted by 58 service providers working in 4 communities in Northern Ontario, Canada. The data used in this study was collected in 2010. The results yielded 4 discrete viewpoints about priorities for delivery of supportive housing services, including a functional system, service efficiency, individualized services, and promotion of social inclusion. So just a summary of the viewpoints. The functional system was held by 18 service workers. Their viewpoint is accessible, flexible service workers, as well as responsive and if enforceable policy pertaining to housing standards are endorsed as key features of a functional system. Held at least priority was social opportunities, personal possessions, and connectedness to the natural environment in servicing individuals with mental health problems. The next view is service efficiency, held by 5 of the service workers that perceived that it is most important to guide individuals with mental health problems to services within health and social systems to fulfill their immediate needs. And lesser priority was attributed to the quality of the individual's home environment. So the next one is individualized services, which was held by 9 service workers. They held knowing a client's needs of the highest importance. If services are individualized and appropriately navigated by an accessible worker, proximity to services and the complexity of the system are of lesser importance. The next is promotion of social inclusion, which was held by 13 of the service workers. Beyond the provision of basic human needs, these service workers identified the importance of ensuring that individuals had opportunities for involvement. The 3 lowest ranked statements within this viewpoint pertain to addressing the needs more specific to service workers and family caregivers. So just in conclusion, this study provided an opportunity for service providers to prioritize housing and support service needs within their specific northern and rural practice context. In conclusion, northern and rural workers prioritize the need for ongoing development and maintenance of safe and accessible supportive housing stock. For a more functional system, this may entail streamlining eligibility criteria and coordinating bureaucracies between stakeholder ministries, investment of resources into local housing authorities, and better coordination of services between community workers for individualized service. There is an urgent need for adequate economic resources and timely access to a range of housing services. In the ongoing development of more efficient and flexible supportive housing policy and service delivery systems, the expertise of supportive housing and service workers should be widely consulted. So that's about it, but if anybody has any questions, feel free to contact me via email. Thanks for listening.